Imagine encountering some of the most venomous snakes on the planet. First up, the inland taipan, known as the world's most toxic snake, with venom so potent it can kill a person in under an hour. Then there's the eastern brown snake, infamous for causing renal failure and cardiovascular collapse. The black mamba, a swift predator from Africa, delivers a venom that can lead to respiratory failure in minutes. Don't underestimate the blue kite, either; its bite can stop your heart. The Cape cobra and tiger snake, both from Australia, are equally dangerous, with venoms that wreak havoc on your body. With its hemorrhaging effects, and the eastern coral snake, known for its lethal respiratory failure, are just as deadly. Finally, the kite and viper round out this list of lethal reptiles. Remember, if you encounter any snake, keep your distance. Avoid provoking them, wear protective gear, and always stay aware of your surroundings. Safety first, because when it comes to snakes, caution is key. Here are some of the spiciest snakes in the world. 1. Inland taipan, found in Australia. Its venom is considered the most toxic, with an LD50 of 0.025 mg/kg. 2. Eastern brown snake, native to Australia and Papua New Guinea, its venom can cause renal failure and cardiovascular collapse. 3. Black mamba, found in Africa, its venom is highly toxic and can cause respiratory failure. 4. Blue kite, native to Southeast Asia and India, its venom can cause respiratory failure and cardiac arrest. 5. Cape cobra, Negenivia, found in southern Africa, its venom can cause respiratory failure and renal damage. 6. Tiger snake, native to Australia and New Guinea, its venom can cause renal failure and cardiovascular collapse. 7. Found in Africa, its venom can cause hemorrhaging and renal failure. 8. Eastern coral snake, native to the southeastern United States, its venom can cause respiratory failure and cardiac arrest. 9. Kite, found in Southeast Asia and India, its venom can cause respiratory failure and cardiac arrest. 10. Viper, native to the Middle East and India, its venom can cause renal failure and cardiovascular collapse. Safety precautions. 1. Avoid provoking snakes. Never touch, handle, or provoke snakes, even if you think they're harmless. 2. Wear protective gear. Wear long pants, shirts, and closed shoes when walking in areas where snakes are common. 3. Stay on trails. Stay on marked trails and avoid wandering into dense vegetation or underbrush. 4. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention to your environment and watch for snakes in your path. Remember, it's always better to exercise caution when dealing with snakes, even if you're not sure if they're venomous or not.